Weird in this country, everything they do state is just going higher and higher every day. In the do state, things are just going higher and come here. Where are you coming from? Don't say anything. Have I not want you to stop dressing like this? As a Benin wife, which you are not supposed to be dressing like this. You are supposed to be tying wrapper. Given no way to wear you. You are not supposed to dress like this. You dress like an adult. See, since I'll be giving you warning to change from this your dressing habit, you refuse. I cannot tolerate this nonsense from you anymore. Go inside and pack your things and leave my house. I have spoken.
Okay, no problem. I will pack my things.
Where do you think you are going to? Women. Where do you think you are going to?
I'm going to my father's house.
Are you not supposed to beg?
Beg.
I'm joking though. You want to leave me? I did not mean it.
I know it's not fit me, not tell me. Mumuna the way I glass. Sam, thank you very much. That amazing. But I you feel like to drink. Not true. Benin Women. They're not gonna let her beg. For them to beg, they will go to their papa's house. And they come with Matthew and Dawa.